Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to another episode of Cooking Healthy Meals. In today's episode of cooking, we are making Ghanaian's cocoyam porridge or Mpotompoto cocoyam pottage. So we start off by peeling our cocoyam. As you are seeing, I want to use this opportunity to say a big thank you to you all for the support, for the follow, for the comment. Thank you so much. God bless you. Stick and keep supporting your girl. So we peel off all this, then we wash it. So I wash it thoroughly. So we move on to cut our cocoyam into smaller pieces. We need it to be smaller than usual because we are going to cook it to be very soft. Growing up, I didn't like this food at all. I didn't even like to even taste it. I didn't know I was missing so much. This actually came out beautifully. The taste was superb. It was really nice. So give it a try and you'll never regret it. So I then went ahead to wash it again. Wash it till you feel there's no dirt. And I went ahead to transfer it into my cooking pot covered with water. Then I went ahead to set my fires. Losing almost all my energy. So our fire is all set to begin our cooking. The cooking pot goes to the fire, and as you can see, cocoyam is filled with a lot of water. I went in with 2 medium-sized onion, then some habanero pepper, then of course some cured fish went inside as well. Very important to give it some flavor. Then with this particular recipe, we went in with some chopped tuna. So I sliced it into some chunks. I added a lot anyway to make it taste very nice. So at this point, I want you to subscribe, hit that notification bell, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So salt to taste, then we cover it for it to boil for some time. So at this point, our onions and habanero peppers are nicely cooked. So we take it off the fire and give it a grind. So you can decide to grind them separately or do them together. If you are blending them or grinding them, you can decide to go with the habanero peppers first or the onions. Whichever way is okay, that's fine. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the So I wanted my Mpotompoto to be extra hot and spicy, so I went in with Kivu hot pepper, moko shell to give it extra hotness because only the habanero pepper isn't going to be too hot for me. If that is the case for you, why not go with it? Then I also went in with some tomato paste, just a scoop, a little, you don't need much. Yes, cover for it to boil. Then I went ahead to focus on my habanero pepper and my onion. It's done. Then I went in with you can see the onions and the habanero pepper. Give it a good stir. Looking so beautiful. The food was almost ready. We needed it to be a little tender and soft. It was really good. At this point, we went in with some seasoning. Yes, we went in with some seasoning. We wanted it to taste. Now we didn't use a lot of seasoning. It was just this cube and it was fine. We didn't go in with, we didn't do too much. We didn't do too much at all. At this point, food was ready. We went in with red oil, very important to give it that color, that redness. Then we can serve our food now, guys. This food tasted so nice and my family enjoyed it. I enjoyed it myself. We all look forward to having another again because this food was just nice. So are you going to try it? Let me know in the comment section if you are going to do this, and please do well to like, comment, share. do well. Thank you so much for the follow. Thank you for the like. I look forward to your comment. Thank you.